a very good morning and a very, very proud, happy moment for us on this great day of independence. As a housewife, today, right now, I got to learn a lot about basic engineering aspects. It's an absolutely wonderful project, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you popularize it in all the schools of India and take it to the remotest villages also, if it's possible, because at least urban kids have some sort of an idea. They go to rich schools, but middle income group children and lower income group children and children coming from rural areas, they would benefit hugely with such a beautiful project. Hats off to the entire team. Congratulations.
This bus, the skill on wheels, gives us quite much knowledge of like welding, construction, and so many equipments are there. I have done welding here, so thank you. I think there is no welding, but the uncle gave us to try do welding, and I have done carving. There is so much experience. We can do any shapes on that. On furniture we do like a small model is there. That is actual. If this bus comes to my school, I will first tell my principal that they should give some time, like us after our school, whole school is interested in this, because if I tell them, they will come properly. I mean, they will come. Thank you.
This practical approach is much better than theoretical teaching what they are getting in school, because after that at some point they just forget whatever is going on in the school. It's just a rectification what they are doing, and this will help them in their life.
I like the lathe machine a lot. It was very nice, and I like to do the woodwork on the lathe machine. And I had learned this DC motor. I liked it too. It was because we have not done any woodwork in the class, or we don't have any examples like these in the class, visual examples. So that was a little different from the school work. Yeah.